A shade grows with no sound, but a tree falls with huge noise. Destruction has noise, but creation is quiet. This is the power of silence. Grow silently. Good morning, students. I hope you will be happy and healthy. Today in our English class, we are going to discuss on the great poem of Pablo Neruda, that is Keeping Quiet. Keeping quiet is an appeal to be silent and ponder over our ability, the quality of our action, and the result of our action. It also tells us that keeping quiet before any action is very important for us. About the poem, Ricardo Elisha Naftali Reyes, that was the name of Pablo Neruda. He took birth on 12 July 1904 and passed away on 23 September 1973. He was a Chilean poet and wrote his poem in Spanish language. Keeping Quiet is a translation from Spanish to English. He always wrote in green ink because green color is symbol of hope. He was a politician, senator, and won the Nobel Prize in 1971 for literature. He was commented as the greatest poet of the 20th century in any language. About the poem, Keeping Quiet is an eloquent piece of peace, humanity and brotherhood. In very calm fashion, Neruda leaves us with a word of wisdom in the poem. Neruda makes it clear that being a staunch activist is not the most way to get into the heart of masses. The poet advocates the importance of silence and introspection. Themes of the poem. The very first theme is silence and stillness. For introspection and retrospections, without being silent, we cannot estimate our strength and ability. Introspections, to go through our inner voice. Retrospections tells us ability and the nature of work. The second theme is brotherhood. This is an anti-violence, anti-war poem. The third theme is nature-friendly. It also educates that we should be friendly to the nature. Setting and mood of this poem. Very first setting, Neruda is addressing and appealing to the people of the world for keeping quiet, so the setting will be the world. And the mood, in spite of the apparent calm composure of the poet in keeping quiet, the implied mood is that of activism. Key points of this poem. The very first point is, the poet appeals to his readers to keep quiet and be still for a count of 12. He appeals not to speak in any language, therefore there is only one language, that is silence. He appeals not move our arms so much, means, first meaning is there, not to be so much active with any aim, and second meaning is there, do not brandish the arm so much. Neruda says that the moment of silence will be an exotic one. Complete silence, no sound of machine. Fisherman would stop hunting well, and the man who is collecting salt could observe his injured hand. Some more key points. War with gases, war against nature would be stopped at this moment. The man would clean his mind and go near to his brothers. The poet suggests his reader not to be confused with keeping quiet to total inactivity. He simply advises for deep introspection. He says that stillness is required in order to understand ourselves and the nature. The earth teaches us a valuable lesson through the apparent silence of the winter season. Its surface is bare and still, but the soil underneath, the root of new plants are spreading. In the last, once again, he appeals to keep quiet because he has convinced his readers the necessity of introspections and to think about what they are doing. Students, in my next video, I will explain the lineage of this poem and tell you about the different poetic devices. Prepare well the chapter by the help of this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.